Listen, if you're a Jamaican thinking about starting a business but you don't know where to start, then this video is going to help you because nobody really breaks it down properly and most people get stuck before they even start. Wagwan everybody, so today I'm going to show you how to start a business step by step. So we're going from idea to registration and then to how you actually start making money, okay? And I'm keeping it simple, realistic, and beginner friendly. So let's go. So first thing guys, don't overthink your idea. So in Jamaica, some of the easiest businesses to start are food businesses. So home businesses like cooking, baking, snacks, those kind of stuff, all right? The next kind of businesses that are easy to form are hair or beauty services, reselling products, for example on Amazon, wholesale, Instagram shop, delivery or courier linking services, and also content and digital products. So the goal is not to start perfect, it's to start something that people already buy. So next, money. So a lot of people think that they need a lot of money to start a business, which isn't always true. It all depends on the business that you're starting, all right? So these are some of the things that you might need, depending on the business that you're starting. So you're gonna need basic equipment, small inventory, packaging, transport, and marketing, even just your phone camera. Even if it means that you're gonna talk to the camera yourself, as a form of marketing. So guys, I would advise you to start small and reinvest the profit into your business, all right? Now let's talk official business. So if you want to operate properly in Jamaica, you need to register your business with the relevant government body. All right guys, so to break it down simple, here's what you would do. So you would need to come up with a business name. Right? Then you're going to check availability to see if anybody else has that name, because you don't want anybody else to have your business name. And so next you're going to register the business name. You're also going to need your TRN. If you don't have one as yet, you're going to need it for banking and tax purposes, okay? And guys, don't let paperwork scare you. It just sounds harder than it really is, but it's really not. So this is where most people mess up. You should never be mixing business money with personal money. You should have separate accounts. So you need to open a separate bank account, and this is one that you're going to use to track your business. You're also going to need to track your income and expenses, and you need to keep all those receipts as well. All right guys, even if it's a small business, you need to treat it like a serious business from the beginning, because you never know. Without customers, you can't make any money, right? So you need customers. Here's a number of ways to get customers, guys. So you can sell using Instagram or TikTok. You can use WhatsApp business, which is one of my favorite ways. You can use word of mouth. You can use local pop-up selling. You can also use courier services if you're online as well. So guys, if people don't know you exist, you cannot make money. So you need to put yourself out there. So this is where content creators have an advantage. You don't need expensive ads, okay? So you can post simple stuff like behind the scenes, when you're packaging your orders. You can post customer reactions, you can post daily business life, and you can also post before and after. So there are a lot of things that you can do, guys. So just get started, all right? And guys, people love seeing real processes, real results, real people buying, that kind of thing. So just start working on content. Okay guys, so these are some common mistakes that will save you some stress. So let's go. If you're a person who's waiting for everything to be perfect, not starting because of fear, if you're a person who's also spending a lot of money before making money, or if you're a person who is not promoting your business, then you're not gonna make any money, guys, and the business is not gonna be successful. Forget about the fear, forget about who's going to see you. Keep your money on your mind. Nothing should get in the way between you and your money. Forget who sees you. Think about everything that you have to do, your expenses, your kids, and forget everybody else. Don't be afraid. They say close mouths don't get fed, guys. So just promote your business and do what you have to do. Okay? So guys, most businesses fail from inconsistency, not a lack of ideas. Alright? If I could give you one piece of advice, it would be to just start. Start small and start messy. Don't wait until you're perfect. Don't wait until you get everything. Start with what you have, test it out, see how it goes. Promote your products, because if you don't promote it, you're not going to make any money. Nobody's going to know what you're selling, and forget about everything else, guys. Just keep your money on your mind and don't let anything get in the way. Forget about who is going to see you, because that's a problem, guys. You think about, oh, they're going to see me. Nobody really cares. You're gonna do well. So just start. It's better to try and fail than to sit there not knowing what would have happened, guys. So just start the business, okay? So let me know in the comment section which business you're thinking about starting and why you haven't started as yet. So I hope this video helped you guys. If it did, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye!